Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, I'm going to show you quickly on how to do screen recorder with your Galaxy S21 Ultra. So when you bring down the screen, you're going to have a lot of different options right here. And you want to choose the one that says right here, screen recorder. All right. And then you want to choose what you want. You want one with no sound, or media sound and mic. So I'm going to do start recording. And in 3, 2, 1, boom. And right now I am recording with my other microphone, so that should be a little bit clearer for you right now. Now there are some settings on here, so you can go back to your control panel. Right here. And go all the way down to advanced features. And then go down a little bit farther to screenshots and screen recorder. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can also do that. But right here, it'll tell you your sound and your video quality. So if you want to change your video quality, right now it's at 1080p. All right. And you can also change your selfie size right here. And I'm going to talk about that in just a moment. So you can change your selfie size. All right, let's go back to the main menu right here. And you'll notice that there's a little floater bar right here. When you are recording videos, you're not going to see that. Only you will see that. And it's kind of neat because you have a pin tool right here. So I'm going to go click on that pin tool, and you can, let's say you're talking about Yahoo Mail, you can circle that, make some different, little notes or something like that. And if you want to erase anything, you just hit undo. And when you're done with all that, all you have to do is hit the pin tool. You can also hit the little icon right here, and that will put your little selfie here. So when you're talking to the audience about Yahoo Mail, you can also draw at the same time and give a nice presentation. So these are kind of neat features. So I'm just going to take off the selfie. That selfie circle you can put anywhere. And like I said, you can resize that in settings. All right, so right now I'm just going to take off that button there and the pen tool. Now what I did notice is when you are in settings like this and you want to use the pen tool, you can't use it. It's only on your main screen right there. So that's the only place that you can do your drawing. So, or if you get into another menu, you can do your drawing. So, and there's your on and off button. It's really neat. And you can, when you're done using that, you can always put that off to the side if it gets in your way. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed today's show. Make sure you check out my other channels and videos, and I got all kinds of new tips and tricks on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I would love it if you would hit subscribe. That would really make my day. Hey, thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.